Why Python data classes are awesome. Python has evolved significantly over the years, adding features that make the language more powerful and easier to use. One of these features is the data class, introduced in Python 3.7. Data classes offer a clean and efficient way to handle data in Python, making them an excellent choice for many programming tasks. Below, we'll explore why Python data classes are awesome. 1. Simplicity and readability. At the core of Python's philosophy is the idea that code should be easy to read and understand. Data classes embody this principle by reducing boilerplate code. Traditionally, when you needed a class to store data, you had to manually write a constructor init method, and often other methods like repr, eq, and hash. With data classes, Python automatically generates these methods for you, making your code simpler and more readable. 2. Automatic method generation. Data classes automatically generate several useful methods, such as init initializes the data attributes. Repr provides a string representation of the object, which is useful for debugging. EQ enables comparison between instances of the class based on their data attributes. Hash makes instances hashable, which is necessary if you want to use instances as keys in a dictionary or store them in a set. This automation saves time and reduces the potential for errors in your code. R3. Immutability with frozen equals true. In some situations, you may want your data to be immutable. Once an instance is created, its attributes should not be changed. Data classes support immutability by allowing you to set frozen equals true when defining the class. This feature is particularly useful in scenarios where you need to ensure that the data remains consistent throughout the lifecycle of the object, such as in functional programming paradigms or when using objects as keys in dictionaries. 4. Built-in type annotations. Data classes encourage the use of type annotations, which improve code clarity and help catch potential errors early. When you define a data class, you typically specify the types of the attributes. This makes the code self-documenting and assists IDEs and linters in providing better feedback as you write your code. 5. Ease of default values. Assigning default values to attributes in a data class is straightforward. This feature simplifies the creation of objects, especially when dealing with optional attributes. If some attributes are optional or have a common default value, data classes allow you to define these defaults directly in the class definition, making your code cleaner and reducing the need for multiple constructors. 6. Field customization. Data classes provide a field function that allows you to customize each attribute. For example, you can set a default value, specify whether an attribute should be included in comparison operations, or exclude an attribute from the generated repr. This level of customization gives you precise control over how your data class behaves without requiring extensive boilerplate code. 7. Integration with existing Python features. Data classes integrate seamlessly with many existing Python features and libraries. They work well with collections.nameTuple, typing.nameTuple, and other similar tools, offering a more flexible and powerful alternative. Additionally, they can be easily serialized to and from formats like JSON, which is essential for web development and data interchange.